All right, gonna do a walk around. This is a 55 first series, and truck is really a nice well-built truck. It is about a 10-year-old build, so it's not perfect, but it fires up nice. Got all the gauges working, nicely finished interior. All the glass is in good shape. Metal is all nice. 350 motor, 350 trans. Look under the hood. Everything's been cleaned up real nice. And truck does show really good. It's got a Mustang 2 front suspension, power rack, power steering. Got disc brakes on the front. Anyway, runs and drives real good. Got a real tall highway gear, so it'll run 75 miles an hour, no issues.